This is your computer class. Today I am going to start second chapter of computer, that is the mail and merge. So first of all we should know that what is mail merge. The automatic addition of names and addresses from a database to letters and envelope in order to facilitate sending mail, especially advertising, to many addresses. To use the mail merge feature, you will need a Word document, a recipient list, merge field. You can see main documents, data source, merge field. Creating the main document. So how can we create main document? So create a main document, follow the given steps. First, open MS Word 2013. Second, click on the Mailings tab and click on Start Mail Merge. It offers the following types of documents like letters, email messages, envelope, labels, directory. Third, choose the desired document types. Creating a data source. How can we create a data source? So the steps create a list of recipients are as follows. First, click on the Mailings tab. Second, in the Start Mail Merge group, click on the Select Recipients button. A drop-down list with different options will appear. The various options are as follows, like type a new list, using exciting list, select from Outlook contents. Third, a list of recipient will be created. Now our recipient is created. So, inserting merge field. How can we insert merge field? When you have created your recipient list, you can now make a merge document. To do this, follow the given step. First, click on the Mailings tab. Second, click Insert Merge Field in the right and Insert Fields group. So, student, you can see the pictures. With the help of pictures, you can understand how can we insert merge field. Third, after selecting the desired field, save the document with a name. Inserting an address block merge field. To insert an address block in the document all at once instead of separately, inserting the name, street, city and all the other parts of an address. Follow the steps given below. First, place the cursor where you want to insert the address block. Click on the mailing tabs. Click on address block button in the right and insert fields group. Choose the desired name. Format under insert recipient's name in this format. The previous section display how the document will look. You can see the pictures. Then click on OK when you are done. The field will be displayed as address block. Inserting a greeting line merge field. Step to insert a greeting line are as follows. Place the cursor at the desired location in your document. Click on the Mailings tab. Click on the Greeting Lines button in the right and Insert Fields group on the Mailings tab. The Insert Greeting Lines dialog box will appear. Under Greeting Lines format, set the desired format. Then the preview section display how the greeting will look. Last, click on OK when you are done. The field will be displayed as greeting line. So you can see the pictures also. Previewing the merge data. Once you have created a document, you will see some references to the data source rather than the data itself. Then click on the Mailings tab. Click on the Preview Result button in the Preview Result group in the Mailings tab. You can check the list of recipients in the documents. Third, you can also search for a particular recipient if you want to do. To do this, click on the Find Recipient buttons in the Preview Result group. Tap the Find Entry dialog box will appear. Fill the required information and the record the matches the search criteria will appear on the screen. You can see there is an example like first address, then name, dear Alia Mitra, then with great honor we would like to request for your presence on this coming Sunday. You can mention the codes then finishing the merging process. MS Word generate a copy of the main document for each recipient. After merging the document with the data source, you can email the document or you can take the printouts. In order to do this, follow the steps given below. In the mailing step, under the finish group, click on the finish and merge button. Then a drop down menu will appear. Choose one of the following options from the menu. You can see edit individual documents, print documents. Third, send email messages. After selecting this desired option, click on OK. So student, I hope you all got my point. So with the help of keywords, you can understand the rigorous word. Thank you so much.